Hello everyone, how are you all? So today in this video we are going to talk about an interesting method of using the index and match function to test a cell for one of several things and return a custom result for the first match found in your database. So welcome back everyone on a new video of Microsoft Excel lookup series on your favorite channel Technical Portal. This is your host Pritham, and don't worry, I'll give you the link of downloading this Excel workbook into my description box, so please check that. So without further ado, let's begin. So here in this simple database I have some input value where some text are written, or you can say that a sentence has been written, and we want to search for a value that contains in this table, and if that value of text is found into this sentence, the result should be declared into this cell as this table have. This is a very interesting method of using the index match function. You can actually do lots of things with index and match function. Not only the index and match function, I am also going to use the search and is number function as nested form of this formula, right? So watch this video till the end. I will explain all the arguments I will use into this formula. So at first, use the equation symbol to insert any of functions. At first we need to use the index function here. As array here, we need the results table. Don't forget to press the F4 key to lock your data reference so that whenever you copy the formula from upside down or anywhere else, it will not get any errors. So insert a comma. Now we are going to use the match function here as usual. Inside match, write true here, comma. Now here we need to use the is number function, and inside the is number function, here we need to use the search option. At first let me complete the formula, then I'll explain each and every argument I'm going to use into this video. So in the search, it will search for the text that is given into this text range, right? So make sure to press the F4 key to lock your reference again, comma, and now where it will search for, it will search the value into this cell number B5. Now close the parentheses and come to the match function. There insert a comma and use 0 as we need the exact match option as the match type, right? Close the parentheses and don't directly hit the enter button. Because of this is an array function, we need to hold the control and shift key, then press the enter button, right? So that's all. Now you have got a result that can be used in important workbooks, and if you copy the formula from upside down, it will show you that result as usual. Look at here we have got Facebook, so it is showing the result as got Facebook as this one, and as this sentence contains the red word, the result is showing as there is red. You can also use the numerical values into this formula, but note that carefully, if you do not have any arguments given here, it will simply show you an error, but you can easily bypass it by using the if error function. So now let me check how this formula actually works. This formula uses two named ranges that are the results and text. Make sure you use the name ranges with the same names as we have used the cell reference numbers here. This is based on the another formula that checks a cell for a single substring. If the cell contains the substring, the formula returns true. If not, the formula simply returns the false value. Because we gave search more than one thing here to look for, it will give us back a list of results. To simplify the array, we have used the is number function here to convert all items in the array to either true or false. Any valid numbers becomes true and any error will become as false, which goes into the match function here as the lookup array with a lookup value of true. Match then returns the position of the first true found, note that carefully. Then finally we have used the index function to retrieve a result from the named range results at the same position. This approach lets you populate the results range with whatever values you want. So that's all for today, friends. Hopefully you like this video. I'll come back soon with another interesting video. Till then, keep learning, keep supporting this channel, and keep practicing.